Hey, Jasmine, you want to jump? You want to jump on the trampoline? Let's go jump. Jump. Come on, jump. Jump. Okay, good girl. How about water? You want to play with water? Come on, let's go. Water. It's crazy. So we have barrel on the side of the house, which has the water coming from the AC. So the water kept in this barrel. During the summer, we use this water to water our garden. It's supposed to be here, but we don't use it this year. Okay, you ready, Jasmine? This is what we do. I know why, but it's really crazy. Look at this. Woohoo! Water splash. Go higher. Higher, Jess. Jump higher. She's trying to jump into the barrel. She can jump really high. You waiting? Where's the water splash? Where's the water splash? Let me see my hand. Please.